Okay, Fusion composition, right click, open in Fusion, and here grab text, shift plus space on your keyboard. Here write mask paint, click on add, connect mask paint to text, connect to media out. Here select your text, write your text here. Now click on mask paint, and here in mask paint click on invert. And here what we have to do now is just to go to, we can go to text font and change our font if we want to. And now we go to mask paint, in controls here stroke control. Here make sure you select stroke, and then in controls, in stock controls, make sure you write on, and then here control brush control, decrease softness and increase our brush. Now let's start. Perfect. Now click on keyframes, go to text, here expand stroke, select everything, select everything like this, click on this, now right click here and select time stretching. Now if we play, but we can